Swedish firm Saab India have offered the Indian Army to upgrade her T-90 Bhishma tanks with her state-of-the-art fire control system and her mobile camouflage systems. These equipments would be able to protect the military vehicles against hostile sensors and enemy target acquisition equipment. The upgrade package would also come up with the heat reduction system, which would lower the internal temperature of vehicles, extending the endurance of personnel and electronic equipment. Along with this, a modern fiber optics gyro control system is also offered that provides extremely precise rotational rate information rather than a mechanical gyroscope. Aeronautical Development Agency has been told to fast-track the high-altitude long-endurance drone program, and soon the prototype will be assembled. The HALE drone will be able to operate at 45,000 feet altitude and will have a 30 hours endurance. The new drone will have 4 times more payload carrying capability than the Tapas, which will allow it to carry multi-mission payloads like synthetic aperture radar, maritime patrol radar, and electro-optical payload. The Defense Acquisition Council, headed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, on Tuesday will take several important decisions, particularly related to the purchase of indigenous weaponry, which would include the purchase of 70 units of HTT-40 basic trainers for the Indian Air Force, communication satellites for the Indian Army, night sights for the Army's soldiers, about 30,000 sights for assault rifles costing over 1,400 crore rupees, light vehicles for the Army for 760 crore rupees, and 2 Dornier aircraft for the Indian Coast Guard. In order to make the Indian Navy a 200 warships fleet by 2027, the Goa Shipyard Limited has emerged as the leading shipyard to build the Indian Navy's next generation offshore patrol vessels, NGOPVs, and 8 fast patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. The 2 contracts are likely to be signed in the near future, GSL Chairman and Managing Director, B.B. Nagpal said recently. According to initial information released by the Ministry of Defense, the contract for 11 next-generation offshore patrol vessels is valued at around 9,000 crore rupees. The GSL is expected to build 7 of the warships while the remaining 4 will be built by another shipyard.